Hi everyone, in the previous lesson we talked about dictionaries. In this lesson we will be talking about tuple data types. Let's begin our lesson. My friend, a tuple is another sequence data type that is similar to the list. A tuple consists of a number of values separated by commas. Unlike list, the most important point is this: unlike list, tuples are enclosed with parentheses. And another difference between list and tuples is list can be changed, but tuples cannot be updated, cannot be changed. Okay, let's create a tuple. Pronouns equal. You have to use the braces to create a tuple. The first element is I, second is you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Okay, we have tuple, and as you see, my friend, there is not much difference from a list, but we will be using only parentheses, not curly braces or square brackets. You have to use just parentheses. A tuple object can have any number of items, and they may be different types: integer, float, list, string. You can use string in it or numbers, anything you want. Also, you can use index operator to access an item in a tuple. As you remember, my friend, index starts from 0. It's very important. Let's look the first element of this tuple, pronoun 0 element. Yes, we have I. First element, we have you. Also, you can use negative indexing. Index of -1 refers to the last item. As in my case, the last item is they. Let's get the last item of this tuple by using the -1. Shift enter. Yes, we get the they element, the last element of this tuple. Also, we can access a range of items in a tuple by using the slicing operator column. Let's copy of this, and I'm gonna write 0 column to 5. Shift enter. I'm gonna get the first 5 element of this tuple by the slicing. As you know, my friend, this is the starting point, this is the stopping point, and we can use step over. For example, I'm gonna write 2, shift enter, I, he, it. Step over 2. Also, you can get the elements by using the negative indexing. -5 column -2. Shift enter. Okay, we have she, it, we. She, it, we. This is the -5. This is the -4. This is the -3. This is the -2. As you see, my friend, the -2 is not included. -2 is not included. Also, you can use plus operator to combine two tuples. Let's create another tuple. Num equals parentheses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shift enter. I'm gonna add this tuple to pronouns. Pronouns plus num. Shift enter. Yes, we concatenate these two tuple. But my friend, you cannot change anything in tuple. For example, pronouns 1 is you. If you wanna try to change me, shift enter. Type error. We get type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. You cannot change the tuple object by this way. Also, you can repeat elements in a tuple by using the multiply operator. Num multiplied by 4. Shift enter. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times we get this tuple. Okay, you can use plus sign or multiply sign. Also, if you want to create a tuple in one element, a equals 1. This is a tuple, has one element. If you want to create one element tuple, you have to use comma at the end of this tuple. Okay, this is important. Also, there is some methods of tuple, count and index method. I'm going to copy and paste this tuple and add something to shift enter. Let's use the count method. Num.count 2. Shift enter. 2 is in this tuple 3 times. Okay, you can use the count method how many times an element is here. Also, you can use the index method. Num.index 4. Shift enter. 4 is in the 5th index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The element of 4 is index number 5. Okay, these are some methods of tuple. Lastly, I'm going to talk about some advantages of tuple over a list. As you see, my friend, tuple and list some similarities, but there are certain advantages of implementing a tuple over a list. These are some advantages. So we generally use tuples for different data types, list for similar data types. Since tuples are immutable, iterating through a tuple is faster than list, so there is a slight performance boost in using tuple. Also, tuples that contain immutable elements can be used as a key for a dictionary. With lists, this is not possible. If you have data that doesn't change, implementing it as tuple will guarantee that it remains the right protected. As you see, my friend, tuple object has some advantages over list object. And in this lesson, we talked about tuple object. In the next lesson, we will be talking about the set object. See you in the next video.